Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am SHEIN and I do lifestyle vlogs. So guys, it is Wednesday and I decided to do this vlog. I've been vlogging like here and there since about 2 weeks ago because I've been MIA on YouTube for about 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, I haven't posted a video, but I tried doing like some vlogs, but they didn't come up to like one vlog. But especially like the haul that I did, I really wanted to post that, so I'm just doing this vlog to like explain. So I bought some stuff from SHEIN that I want to show you guys in a haul, so you're going to be seeing that after this, along with some other stuff that I vlogged, and then we'll continue the vlog today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the rest of the video. Hey guys, so I am at work, ready to work about 10 or 20 minutes ago. Yeah, 20 minutes ago, and I was prepping for my class. So yeah, I'm cold, so I have to put on my sweater from the school to school. Once I don't look like right now, so put on my sweater. So yeah.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises.
Hey guys, so I'm home. And look, I can look some packages. I don't even know which one is mine or if any one of them are mine. So I'm gonna some upsets because them send more invoice in my email. Only when we reach at the place, the more tell me say it costs more. So it was supposed to cost, on the invoice it says 4,300. When we reach down at the place, I 5,300. So extra $1,000 for it. So also, it's just look weird because if you people them for headquarters, I send them that thing. You know? So one shoes and all this. One shoes, oh my god, £3. It's all going coming here, but nothing else. And that's £4, you know, because I'm 3 pounds sitting. 3.3, so £4. So I tell them, say, I finish shoes. Finish shoes. My shoes, and it all look big. Let's see. Well, that's too bad. Anyway, yes. This is what it looks like. Wanted to try one of the platform shoes, but honestly, it all looks taller than what we did expect. Let's try it on. Guys, Mr. Guys. What if I pass? Anyways, I'm gonna show these shoes. Hope I go walking at these, but I don't know. No, as in not hard work. I'm just trying to show you. I'm show you. Oh, hi. You know. Good morning, guys, and yeah, so it's Tuesday. Heading out. Oh my god, so much bag in hand. But yeah, my head out now. It's kind of breezy, and I've been loving the breeze because we kind of prefer it over the heat. So yeah, heading to go meet my taxi because I'm late. So anyways, I don't even know how this week going, guys. I don't know, Mr. Suits. I don't like that week here. When them have one little match something at school, I don't like it. That's nobody don't like it. Anyways, I head to work, so I'm looking at a peep show, so I don't know. I'll talk to you guys later when I'm doing something.
Baptized in Christ, he saved my life. He sacrificed his own for mine. So I'm diligent and obedient, or at least I try. I wish I had a dime for the times I've been criticized. They love to hate, I don't care what they say. Laugh while I listen, staying in my lane with the Lord. I'm in the spirit. Never mind, I'm thinking twice, I'm on the rise, yeah. While everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'll be serving you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'm a praise light. Yeah, I'm a serve light. Don't you know I'm a homebody? Don't leave my home for nobody. Bible studies over parties, any day, anyway. Wishing love and light to friends of mine who have faded away. Hoping they find happiness, hope they
Good morning. Alright guys, so it is Thursday. Don't really have anything to do for the vlog today. Most of what, well, I don't know if I'll get to even film much tomorrow either. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I know we're having a movie tomorrow, so yeah, but otherwise I have a plan for this week. So hey guys, so it is Monday and I'm back home from work. The Monday thing is outside, so I'm excited. I started unboxing last week and I wanted to finish it because I finally got the rest of the stuff today. So yeah, a week apart. So it's not a lot of stuff. I didn't really buy a lot of stuff. It was really mostly like the clothes that I needed. So I just added some stuff on it, you know. Yeah, so I bought some stickers. These are the stickers that I got. I got yellow because, you know, I love yellow. And then I got a case for my tablets, school tablets, because the case that's on it right now, it's terrible. So this is the case. I hope it fits. So this is the case that's on the tablet right now. So I bought this to put on it. Yeah. And then I got myself a Bible pouch because the one I have right now, the zip is spoiled. So this is it. It says, "She who kneels before God can stand before anyone." So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I hope the Bible count in there and I hope it's strong enough. I want to zip my back and that's, so yeah, and it has feels my pain. I like this. I love this. Yeah. Just put my book. Love it. So yeah. And then I got myself a phone case and it's I Love Jesus. All of these are pretty much I wanted them for the actual day that I bought the clothes for. So yeah. So I love Jesus and I love God. Stuff like that. Alright, so that's those. And then I bought a t-shirt because we're gonna have a concert. I have a concert to attend and my sister and I said, we want a t-shirt to go to this concert. So I bought this t-shirt. It says, God says I am enough. You need, when I know I love black, I'm like, I kind of start falling in love with brown. So black and brown it is. Yeah, I love black, love yellow, love purple. So yeah. At the fact say, I thought I was getting purple, but this is more pink. I knew it. I just knew it. So this is the suits that I bought. It looks more pinkish to me, like rose pink. So this is the pants. That's it. Like it darkish, but yeah. This is the pants, and then the top. Look like it took a shot. So well, this is the top. Yeah, I'm gonna wear something on that, like a marina or something. So that if breeze blow it up, I'll have some on that. So yeah, that's all I got. And then you guys already saw the shoes. So that's the shoes I'm going to be wearing with this. Yeah. So yes, that's that for the SHEIN haul. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Just coming on to end the vlog because because the vlog has been going on for like probably about 2 weeks now, from what you guys saw. So it's been going on for like 2 weeks, and then tomorrow I want to start like a new vlog tomorrow. Definitely need to start a new vlog tomorrow. So I want to end this vlog off, and I actually really wanted to post this video today, but this look like it's a tomorrow video because there's no electricity from morning, guys, and my normal phone I got it soon because it's at probably about 40 something. Yeah, and electricity they claim it's coming back at 6. It's like currently probably about after 4 right now, so let's see how that goes. But anyways, just wanted to come on and end the vlog. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.